Hello guys and welcome to the Python courses tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn deep into the Python courses module, and you can make good looking terminal apps after you learn courses, right? So in this tutorial we will learn and build two apps. The first app will be a basic one, and it'll be a disk manager. So it'll show you the drives you have in your computer and the information about the drives and the temp files, right? So how much storage is there in the temp files and like that. So the other app that we build at the last, that'll be the typing speed test app, right? So we will build that, and you will learn many new things in this tutorial. So let's start. So here I am on my code editor. So first I'll show the installation, right? So you'll do pip install Windows curses. Now you do not need to install courses in Mac or Linux. It is only like installation is only required for Windows, right? So I already have it installed, so I won't run it. You can run it, and it'll take a few minutes, and it'll install. So first, I'll import the courses module. Okay, and then I'll import from courses import wrapper. So we will do the automatic initialization, not the manual initialization, which takes a lot of time, right? So we will first create def main, right? So we're defining our function and std_scr, right? So now we'll pass, and I'll tell you what is std_scr in a minute. So first let's do wrapper main, right? Now let me tell what is std_scr. So std_scr is known as standard screen output, right? So there you do all the functions, for example clear, add, color changing of the text, for example, right? So all the operations you will do on the std_scr, right? So that is the screen, that is the terminal that you are currently using. So let's start. First we'll try to just clear the screen, std_scr.clear, and we'll do std_scr.refresh. Okay, so here we are clearing the screen, and here we are refreshing the screen, right? And then we'll go and do Python. And another note here, so you cannot run it in any terminal, like for example Visual Studio's terminal or something like that, an integrated terminal or of a code editor. You should use it like an app, like for example command prompt, PowerShell, or any other terminal that you use, right? So I'll do Python 1.py. Okay, so now you see, you would be in shock. My code didn't work, right? Yep, it didn't work. So that's because it refreshes the screen. It clears the screen, it refreshes the screen, but it exits the program. You have not added any logic for the exit, right? So we don't need any logic. We'll just do if std_scr dot get ch. Okay, so here we'll wait for user prepress. Actually we will learn about this in the later tutorial. So now just think that it waits for user prepress and keeps our application open and does not exist, right? So when you if you press a key, then it exits, right? So let's do again. Now you can see that the Python terminal, the terminal was cleared. Now if I press on any key, so now you can see I just exited from there, right? So that was about the clear. Right now we'll learn how to add text onto the screen, right? So we'll do std_scr dot add str. So that means standard screen output. So on that we will add a string, right? And then we'll do hello world. or maybe hello guys. Right. So now let's run it. But yep. So hello guys, you see the text. Now this is by default on the left top, right? So now you can also define the positions, right? So 0 and 0 is on the left top, that's the default one, right? So you can see, yep. So this is the default, right? So 0 and 0, this is the column, this is the row, right? So this creates a grid based system, yeah, according to me. So this creates a grid-based system in the terminal. So you can position your text wherever you want. So for example, I need fifth column and 10th row. So I can see that it's in fifth column and 10th row. So that is about the text, right? How to add text. Now you can also do override the text, right? So for example, I have this and I do say 14. Okay, now you can see my text got overwritten, right? So for example, if you don't believe, I'll try with the text, right? Hey. Okay, so now you can see that hey came and then the yes and the exclamation mark. So that is it, because you just overwritten the part, right? So you just overwritten that, but you didn't clear the after part. Let's say if I add two spaces here and then see, so now you can see only the exclamation mark. If I add three spaces, now you can see nothing, because you just overwritten that as well, right? So whatever you overwrite, that will not be seen. So that is the thing about adding text and clearing the clearing the screen, right? So in this episode of the tutorial series, we learned about the clear screen, the refresh, how to refresh the screen, and how to wait for the user to press, and how to add text on the screen. In the next episode, we'll learn about colors and attributes, how